Today we are here at 5220 South Mulligan Avenue in Chicago, Illinois, and today we're going to be performing an attempted shingle repair on this shingle right here, labeled shingle 1. And above shingle 1, we have 2 shingles, one labeled shingle 2, one labeled shingle 3. The reason those are labeled is because in order for us to remove shingle 1, we must remove the 2 shingles above it. There's no possible way for us to remove this shingle without manipulating the 2 shingles above it, because this one's nailed into that one. So we're going to work our way down at this end and work our way down to the other end of the shingle. And we're going to begin trying to unseal this shingle in order for us to remove it. We will now begin. And as you can see right off the bat, you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see we have a tear right here. That part of the shingles. Let me see if I can focus. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, those two, we have a tear right there. And this one, you can see it's starting to bend up and crease. And you can see right off the bat, we have another tear in the shingle right here. I mean, I haven't even got past this little section right here, and we're already at 3 tears. Every time I begin trying to unseal it, you can see this shingle is, I mean, there's another tear right there in that shingle. You can notice as I'm trying to unseal it, you can see from the vibrations of trying to unseal it, all these granulate are falling off. There's major granulate loss. You can see even towards the end, all the granulate loss in the process of trying to unseal this shingle on shingle 1. So now we worked our way down to the end, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 points of failure, and that's just on shingle 1 alone. So we're now going to work our way up onto shingle 2 and begin trying to unseal this as gently as possible. Trying to go as gentle as possible. But as you can see, doesn't matter how gentle you go, the quality of these shingles in the process of trying to unseal this shingle, we're damaging the shingle. But look at all this granulate loss. It's no good. Granulate should not be falling off like that in the process of trying to unseal a repairable shingle. So again, forgot to count for shingle 2. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 points of failure on shingle 2 alone. We are now going to begin trying to unseal this shingle, shingle 3, the last shingle. Here we go. We will now go as gentle as possible, as you can see. As you can see right off the bat, again, we have another tear. But as you can see, tear right there. And you can see right here, I mean, there's no way we can unseal this without having major tears, or minor, it doesn't matter. There's tears in this roof as we're trying to unseal it. This one didn't have as much as the others, but as you can see on shingle 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On shingle 2, we have 1, 2, 3, that's 10. And on shingle 3, we have 1, 2, 3, that's 13 points of failure. In the process of trying to remove this shingle, and this shingle. This attempted repair has failed. These shingles are non-repairable. We will no longer continue. We are only causing more damage to the roof than we are actually helping.